Hello, welcome to Reform Tech channel. In this video, I'll talk about regions and availability zones. So, what is a region? So, any geographic location where AWS have their data centers are called as regions. As you could see here, the blue dots represent the regions which already exist, and the orange ones are the one yet to come. Okay, so these are coming soon. So, a region will have multiple availability zone, a minimum of 3 availability zone at least, and these are isolated from each other. Each availability zone has independent power, cooling, and physical security, and is connected via redundant ultra-low latency networks. So, if an application is partitioned across availability zones, companies are better isolated and protected from issues such as power outages, lightning strikes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and more. Right. So for now, there are 24 launched regions and 84 availability zones, with announced plan of 24 more availability zones and 8 more AWS regions in different places. So these are those. Right. So this is the main difference between the region and availability zones. Thank you for watching this video.